Yo, what is good, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be live trading gold. I just discovered gold. One of my close friends put me on with a really nice strategy, a really nice approach to take trades off of this. I'm using live money. We're taking a live trade. We're doing a live example of how I'm going to be trading gold going forward because this is low-key my new baby. I'm leaving NQ because, man, she has not been treating me nice, man. You know those times, it's kind of getting toxic. You guys just need to kind of cut it off. But it's like, I keep coming back. But then it's like, you go back and it's like, woo. And then it's like, oh. And then you're like, oh, I should have never went back. That's me and NQ. So now we're switching to gold. Gold is way more volatile. Gold is way more dangerous. Gold is way more risky. But if we can find a way to implement a good strategy with a nice approach, with good RR, make a lot of money. I'm gonna show you all that in this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe. Boom, we are in a trade right now. You guys can see we are actually not doing the best, so maybe we'll end this video early. But moral of the story here is we are going to be trading higher level supply and demand with this. We're going for more expansionary moves. You want to kind of zoom out when we're trading gold because sometimes it can be a lot of chop. But more than anything, bro, you need to realize how dangerous this thing can be. I'm talking, if I lose 5 points in this trade, I'm probably going to lose over $3,000. So with this comes a reward, of course, because now, of course, if we're going to lose that much when we lose, we're going to make that much when we win. So it's kind of about finding that happy area of how much you're willing to risk. I'm looking for a nice retracement and a continuation up on the hourly right now. You guys see we're kind of having some bullish consolidation on gold right now. And as you guys know, I've been trading NQ at night, but guess what? Gold's best times to trade are actually during the nighttime, I've discovered. So what we're going to be doing going forward is we're going to get an entry right here. It's 6:45 right now. Around 8 o'clock, really things start to turn and burn on. We're looking for a good entry here. The reason why we got into this trade again is this bullish consolidation. We had this really nice hourly breakout, which I actually caught on gold this morning. Then we're seeing this sideways consolidation, this chop that would naturally be expected after we have such a big breakout like this in one candle. So not only are we bull flagging right now, which if you've watched anything on TikTok, you've realized that this is a very powerful candlestick pattern, but we are now rejecting off of this previous high that we created. So we had this hourly high that we made, rejected off of it completely. This is what we want to call a pivot point. This is something I like to call a pivot point, an area where price reaches and rejects off of with a big amount of volume. We actually got underneath that, broke back above, came back down, held right here, bought back up, came back down, held right here, came back down, bought below, and then came all the way back up, closed back above the zone. So now we are in gold longs right here looking for a pop up. Notice how I'm doing most of my work on the hourly. We are going to start to kind of scalp out a whole system on gold where we can have a bunch of zones built out where we can just fully trade off of it and it can be self-sustainable. When things present themselves, I will take them and I will make money off of it. Takeaway here, of course, is we are going to play off this buy zone, but we also have a demand zone right here. First one's going to be this wick right here, and you guys can go on gold right now and actually do the same exact thing as me because we are going to be uploading the same day. W editor. Myself. We're gonna get this. This is all-time highs right here. We're gonna get this low right here. Big buys came up off of this. I'll pick up these buys right here off of this low, and then buys right here off of this low. We are looking for areas where price comes down, it falls. In this case, for buys, we see huge rejection and we see big move up. We see fall, rejection, big move up. I think that's about as far back as I want to go for right now, just because if we do start to do more, we're just going to start to overlap a little bit. So boom, these are kind of the areas we're in within right now. So this is a big thing that you'd like to do. You should always go on the higher time frames like this and just look at where we're at with our zones that we have marked out. We are in kind of a dead zone. This area where there's nothing going on, those are areas where you really shouldn't be taking trades. You should maybe be in them. These areas in between zones are areas where you kind of want to be open to being in a trade, and you really can feel like, hey, when I'm in longs right here, I can think this can push up pretty high because there's nothing going on in this area. It should be easy for buyers to push this up. But as we approach these areas, can be a little bit more tricky. I want to give you guys an input on how little we are down on this trade right now. I'm down $1,000. Look at this. We are down only that much, and we're down 1 point. We're down 1 point on gold, and I'm down $750. So you guys can see, if you catch the right side of this, you can have some pretty naughty returns. You guys know I've been sitting at my desk for like the last 5 years now, so I'm starting to stand up more. I'm standing up right now at my desk. I have a standing desk, and I want to sit down, bro. My legs hurt. I've been grinding chess every day. I'm trying to become a grandmaster. It's pretty far-fetched. But being good at chess, I feel like, is such a flex, and I've really been trying to push up myself in the rankings. We just hit 500 a couple days ago, but we're still sitting right under 490. I want you guys to understand this, man. When you play chess, this is just such a, methodical game where psychology plays such a big part. You have to really think ahead of what's going to happen once you make moves. Like, once I click this button right here and bring my knight up front, I have to understand that 10 moves from now, I could have just completely cooked myself. It's very similar to me. I have a very similar approach where I'm just so crystal clear with myself and my actions that, there's certain things that, why did I do that? Wait, oh my God, he left his knight out. He left his bishop out. What is he doing, bro? You suck ass. Oh. Take it, take it, take it. Fuck! Advantage now where I'm basically gonna lose. No! Why did I do that? Oh, I just lost. All right, well, update. We are only down $990 in this trade. We have 1 minute until 7 o'clock. I'm excited to see if we get some volume coming in. At this point, you know, in this trade, we are going to see this chop. We're going to see this consolidation. It is after hours. It is not during any session in particular. I'm looking for longs. I like longs. I feel longs. Hourly showing me longs. 4 hour if we look at it. You know, when you look at this area, look at all these buys we had off of this. So we had the initial rejection here. We had the 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 rejection here. It looks like we're seeing some buys here too.
Call me on my cell phone.
We're gonna act all cool like we're like trying to be friends, like just curl up. Ready, this purple guy. We're gonna get this purple guy. We're gonna act like a homie, like we're gonna act all tight. Yep, show you. Then we're gonna get him. Oh, we're gonna act like we're homies with this guy. We're gonna pull up on him. Yeah! Every hit, boom, 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 sahoo. Whoa! Whoa! Yo, yo, yo! Hold on, let me freestyle real quick. We up 2K. Yes, on this trade. Yes, I am gay. No, I don't play. I'll just be trading. Bitch, you know that I'll blow up grenade. Yo, I'm kissing your boyfriend. I'm hitting TP before the shit end. I wanna play with your boyfriend. Let me kiss your boyfriend. Let me suck your boyfriend. Yeah. We up 2K. No, I don't play. Yes, I am gay. I wanna kiss your boyfriend on the lips cause I am so gay. Yeah. Alright, I'll stop, bro. I'll stop. Chill out. I'm going to be streaming on Twitch right after this video. Go check it out. Watch me trade this live. Hopefully we hit TP. Of course, we're going to. Maybe it comes back to break even. You can get in it, boy. Like, subscribe. Go to Twitch.